everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I wanted to give you a quick tip on how you can add a testimony request to your agent website. All right, so I'm going to share my screen and we are going to get started. So first things first, get into command. Now today we're going to be focused on the consumer section of command, which is at the very bottom left here. So when you get to consumer, you'll see any active pages that you currently have. Any of them here that have the blue on the eyeball here means that those are live pages on your agent website currently, okay? So how we're going to add a page to your website, we're going to go to this blue create a new page button at the top right. Make sure that you're selecting on my agent site and then create page. So that brings us here to your blank canvas where you can add whatever you would like to add to your agent website. So today I'm teaching you how to add a testimonials request to your website. So the first thing I want you to do is go up to the top here and name this testimonial request or request a review, whatever you'd like to call it. Nobody sees this, but this helps you on the back end. And you'll see momentarily where you'll see this noted and why that's important, okay? So just make sure you name it. And then all we have to do on the right side, you see these little widgets, okay? All of these will auto-populate information. So the one that we are going to put on here is the testimonial capture form. All you have to do is click on that, hold it down and drag it over here, and you'll see the green line that appears. That means that is where that widget is going to be dropped. So I let go and now you see it has dropped into that page, okay? You'll see the gray overlay on that. That's just showing you that the widget's not configured yet, which means we haven't personalized it. So that's our next step. But you'll see here, it's almost completely set up for you. The only thing we have to add is your name where it says Royals Realtors. And if you wanted to change any of the lingo here, which I think it sounds good, and then the headline text. So we are ready to personalize this. All you have to do is on the right side at the bottom, click Configure Widgets, and then click on Testimonial Capture. And it brings you to the screen that you can edit. So where it says team name, you can type your name or your team name here. Okay. Headline text, whatever you would like it to say. I'm just going to say leave a review with an exclamation mark. And I think the way that this is worded sounds great. For the description, you can always delete that and edit it as well. You have up to 200 characters. And then the review headline, how would you rate your experience? I think that sounds great. And then the placeholder text, all that sounds good to me too. So I have everything updated. I'm going to click Save and Apply. Now on the left side, just double check that everything looks correct. Okay, you notice it took out that Royal Realty, whatever it said before, and it replaced it with my name. So that's perfect. Okay, so I am good with this. All we have to do now is click Save and Apply. And then up at the top right, we're going to click the blue button to save the changes. And then we are going to click yes, that we would like to publish this to our page. So the reason we want to do that is when we publish it to the page, it's going to make it active on your website. So it brings you to this section, which is right here under agent site pages, okay? And so what we have to do is we click this blue add page button right here with this check mark. And this is why I was saying it's important to name your page that you created so you can easily find it right here. Okay, so this is the one that I just created. So testimonial request, and I clicked it, and now I'm going to click continue. So here This is where you title your page, and this is how it's going to appear on your website on the drop-down menu, okay? So I'm going to name it Leave a Review. URL slug, it auto-populates new page in here, but I would recommend that you could make it leave a review or just review, whatever you would like it to be, because what's great about this is you can hyperlink this this link right here once you have this slug in here. So mine is going to be leave a review. If you want it to clearly show the words, just make sure you put a dash in between because you can't put spaces in between there, okay? So leave a review is my slug, and you'll see the whole website address here. You could copy this website address and link it in your email signature, and the text overlay for it could say, click here to leave our team a review. When they click on it, it would take them to this section of your website for them to leave a review. So that's why that URL slug is important. So for the SEO description, so now we have our page title, our URL slug, and our SEO description, and all we have to do is click save. Okay, and now when we go back to agent site pages up here at the top, you'll see that testimonial request now has this blue eyeball, which means it is an active page. When you click on the eyeball, it will bring you to that part of your website, and you'll see leave a review, my information, and all of that is here, okay? Once again, when you click on, this is my website, when you click on my name, you'll see leave a review is now an option on there, and it brings you to this page. So check out my next video on how to take the reviews that people actually submit on this page of your website and have a separate page of all your testimonies to display on your website. Okay. So check that video out. And if you have any questions at all, let me know, okay? All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.